Hello everyone, this is Daddy here. Hope you're well. I got this question from one of my subscribers. They want to know how to install an auto indicator from email inbox. What they mean is they want to know how to install an indicator. So they receive an indicator in their email and they want to know how do they take the indicator from the email into their MT4 platform. Okay, it could be indicator, it could be expert advisor. So if you know how to do it, fantastic. But if you need this quick short video, watch ahead. All right, so let me go to my, so I'm in my email. I got this indicator here called All Pivot Points. Okay, it's an indicator, it could be an expert advisor, but we're using this as an example. So what do? First step one, download. So I click download. You don't want to open it, you want to save it. Okay, so you click save as it, save the file, and you go to where it has saved. So usually it will save under the folder called download folder. Download folder. So you look for download folder, and you might have to order it. So this is the download. So what you do is you copy that. Okay, so when you copy that, where are you going? MT4. So on MT4 you have different method of doing it. Best way of doing it actually is to say open data folder. Okay, file, open data folder, then you go to a folder there called MQL4. Double click, you look for the one called indicator. If you have been sent an expert advisor, it will go under expert. So that's just the difference. So for indicator, it goes here and you just paste it. Paste it. There you go. So you see that a new one has been pasted called All Pivot Points. So you've done your job. Now you have to go to MT4 platform again. So if you look here under indicators, it should be somewhere here called All Pivot Point, ALL, because all these ones are underscore. So from here, ALL. Oh, not there. Where is it? Okay, it's not there yet. Even though I have pasted it, but MT4 is not aware. So what you need to do is to refresh the whole platform. Two methods of refresh. One, you can shut it down and reopen it. That is the MT4 platform. That will work. Or if you don't want to do that, quickest way is just right click any of these indicators and click refresh. Okay, it does exactly the same job. So if I click refresh, watch what will happen. Look in here, you see that a new indicator will show up now. Right, where is it? All Pivot Point. You see it wasn't there before, now it shows up. So that is it. So you got the indicator, all you got to do is drag it and drop it under your MT4 and click OK. There you go, your indicator is ready. So you can do this for any indicator that you've been sent. All right, and if it's an expert advisor, it's exactly the same process. Instead of being in the indicator folder, it will be in expert folder. Okay, if you like this video, thumbs up. And if you want to hear or learn any topic, any small snippet, any small advice from me, shoot me a quick question, maybe on the email, or you make a comment. You know what? You never know. I may have time to do that for you. Take care, guys. All right. Talk to you later. Dari.